Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, of course, we're going to be talking about the Tesla delivery event day and the pricing, as we know. So according to this article, Electric, as usual, Tesla launches Cybertruck with up to 470 miles of range, and it's starting at $61,000. So here, they give you the layout of the pricings for the rear-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, and instead of like the tri-motors, now they have a name for it, Cyberbeast. Okay, as you can see here, like the price range for the rear-wheel drive, looking at about $60,990, and it will come with 250 miles range, and range with extender not mentioned. So basically, this is, I don't know if with the rear-wheel drive, if they actually even offer that, for the range with extender. So basically, like it, even though Tesla hasn't mentioned it much, but it's like another additional battery pack that you can buy to make your the Cybertrucks goes longer. But here it doesn't give you that option. So I guess if you want the range extender, you got to go with the all-wheel drive or the Cyberbeast. So acceleration 0 to 60 for the rear-wheel drive model is 6.5 seconds, which is still really fast. And drivetrain, here, rear-wheel drive, and top speed at 112 miles per hour. Towing capacity 7,500 pounds. Not bad for $61,000. Moving on to the mid-level, the all-wheel drive. Price range will be $79,999. And I believe there's a reason for this. It's because anything over $80,000 will not qualify for the 7,500 tax credits. So Tesla is aiming to sell a lot of the all-wheel drive versions to the mass here. And you look at the range, it's about 90 miles more than the rear-wheel drive. And here it says it can goes up to 470 miles with the range extender. Okay, so again, at 80,000, we right now for sure we don't know what the range extender fully detailed or how much the battery pack will cost. It could be 10,000 more, 20,000, who knows? But it has the capability for longer range, like 470 plus miles. Acceleration is really quick, 3.9 seconds, 0 to 60. Awesome. Drivetrain, you get all-wheel drive. And top speed, same as the rear-wheel drive, 112 miles per hour. And towing capacity is 11,000 pounds, which is awesome. And moving on to the highest level or trim, the Cyberbeast starting at almost $100,000. And the range is 20 miles less than the all-wheel drive version, 320. And you can see here, 440 miles plus, and the acceleration is just crazy. 0 to 60 is 2.6 seconds. It's only 0.9 second faster than the Model S Plaid. And the drivetrain, again, all-wheel drive, and top speed looking at 130 miles per hour, and the towing capacity again 11,000. So as far as spending $20,000 difference, what you're getting is less range on the Cyberbeast and less range, and even with the extender. But the kicker is you get 1.3 second faster for $20,000. So I don't know if it's worth it. But if you have a lot of money out there and you want to throw it on it, go for it. All right, so yeah, let's see what else. All right, so that's pretty much it. They only deliver about to 10 customers. And I have a YouTube video here that I watch. And here, I'll list, you're going to go to CNET highlights, and they're going to have it, the whole video. You can see the Cybertruck's actually towing like a trailer or something. And it actually beat out like other okay, so here you can see
massive towing capacity.
You can see they do the Ford Lightning. It can tow like 207 feet, and then we have the Rivian. I thought the Rivian go a little bit further, but only 257 feet. And then you got the Ford F350 with the diesel engine, and it can only tow 263 feet. Yet the Cybertruck towed 318 feet. Okay, and if you watch furthermore, Tesla actually had a short clip of the here it just tells you about the steer wire. Here you can see that the Cybertruck is going heads up with the Porsche 911, and the funny part is the Tesla Cybertruck actually beat the Porsche 911. Not only that, but they actually towed another Porsche 911. Okay, so it's really, really, really good event that I think all you guys should watch. But again, so now we know the price, and let me know what you guys think of the pricing wise, and which, if you were to have an option, which one would you pick? The rear wheel drive just for basic, you know, in town 250 miles, or the all wheel drive 80,000, and you know, or the Cyberbeast, you know? Let me know. But other than that, thank you for watching, guys. If you guys like the video, feel free to give a thumbs up, and if you like the content, subscribe to the channel. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.